Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 panel van Commerce Pro finished in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The Leighton Kombi Kit conversion has features including the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, side skirts, front bumper splitter and a rear spoiler, giving the vehicle a distinctive and sporty appearance. Power adjustable heated and folding mirrors provide added convenience, while automatic headlight control keeps visibility optimum in all conditions. The advanced 360 degrees camera system has front, rear and side cameras, supported by front and rear parking sensors. The load area can be accessed through the rear tailgate, and there are side sliding doors on both sides, making entry simple and convenient. The Leighton Kombi Kit conversion adds 3 rear passenger seats, complete with armrests, while the centre seat folds down to reveal useful cup holders and additional storage. The rear window blinds provide extra privacy and comfort for the passengers. Inside, electronically controlled air conditioning and heated front seats help to maintain a comfortable cabin environment throughout the year. The seats all have a leather finish for a sophisticated look, and the driver will benefit from the electronic controls. There is storage throughout the cab, including a dedicated glasses or sunglasses compartment, while USB ports and a wireless device charging pad keep devices powered on the move. The rear-view mirror camera system with an integrated dashcam functionality adds further practicality and peace of mind. The heated, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel includes adaptive cruise control with a predictive speed limiter for more relaxed, long-distance journeys, and it also allows you to navigate through the digital cockpit, which displays vehicle and driving information in a customizable way. For connectivity and entertainment, the media system features DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and the integrated navigation system. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your camera system and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 panel van Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.